Hi, I'm Fathi, and I'm a Target team member. Both my wife and I were born in Zanzibar and immigrated in the United States, but our kids were born in the United States. 4 years ago, we sat down and start having these discussions how we want to raise our kids. We made a decision to select Thanksgiving as part of our culture, mix it together that American culture and Tanzanian culture. It's been fantastic. My biggest passion is cooking. I really enjoy feeding people. But you know, it's pandemic. We shouldn't have turkey this year. All my 3 kids' eyes just went lit. Like, what? What are you talking about? You're gonna cook turkey. When my kid take a first bite and I can feel every joy, it's really great. To me, Thanksgiving reminds me of Eid celebration. It marks the end of Ramadan. So it's a festival of breaking a fast. It is so special to me as a Muslim. It brings out pride about my culture. It's all about family, eating, laughter, and joy. The favorite parts of Eid for my kids, one is biryani, which is our traditional meal. Biryani in my house, it's cooked very few times in a year. Just like turkey, keep it fresh, keep it special. And then the second thing is money. For every day they fast, they get $5. So my son actually and my daughter fasted the whole 30 days. So you can imagine how broke I was. Every time we go around Thanksgiving, it kind of takes me back to when I was a kid celebrating days like Eid. My parents, my uncles, my aunts, my cousins together for the goal of having laughter, eat good meal, and enjoy one another's company. Since we are accepting our kids' culture, we are able to be on the same page with them and really understand them much better where they're coming from. We also feel proud that they're still going to have some of our culture as they become adults. My wife was saying she likes the happy Eid. Assalamu alaikum and happy Eid to you and your family. Oh, we did it. I made it.